Okay, agenda what we are having for the ETL testing is like we are going to learn first SQL command first in detail, and then we'll go to the data warehouse concept. Okay, data warehouse concept, and then Informatica tool where you will learn completely ETL testing, what you are going to do as a part of ETL testers, what you are going to, how you are going to use Informatica tool, Informatica tool, ETL tool, how you're going to validate data from multiple source, multiple layers, and if any mismatch is there, how you're going to raise defect, how you're going to validate the mismatched data. So all this concept, what is SCD and all, you will learn here only. So this part is very important for this course. Okay. So I have documented such a way that everything will be explained in ETL Informatica tool. If you attend these three classes, your ETL testing 80% syllabus done. So remaining 20% will be like this: ALM tool overview, basic Unix command, basic manual testing concept, agile methodology explanations. Okay, because nowadays agile methodology they are asking direct question from previous also. What are the different types of meeting will be there? All these components they will ask you from agile methodology. Manual testing anyway, like any of the testing, if you'll join, whether it's automation testing, manual testing, performance testing, whatever the testing you will join, the main basic of manual testing concepts are needed. Okay, basic of manual testing concepts are needed. I'll explain the minimum two project. Okay, so I'll show you that how you're going to validate as when the data will be loaded from the file system to the further layer, and another one like how the data will be, how you're going to proceed, how what you're going to tell into the interview when the data is going to load from database to the database only. So the two types of things I will tell into the this project. So important project is very important. You have to explain same way how I explain, I will explain in the project. Okay. So important interview questions and answers. We'll discuss on this, and then we'll see how it will be useful for this. Resume building preparation will be there. Job assistance in the sense when you will be attending interview, what exactly you have to say, like your roles and responsibility, the project explanations, how you're going to proceed with the interview, the speed, the level of that, everything. Like I'll be taking care of that. I'll be taking your mock interviews. In that only, I'll be make sure that you understand all these things. You understand all these things, and the behavior in the interview, your speed into the interviews, your what is that skills, your communication skills, the way you will be speaking to in the interview, everything I will correct, and I'll make sure that you attend properly with a positive note, so that like your selections will be on a higher this thing. So everything to place you until unless you will not get job, my support will be there, and you will get 100% job if you will learn complete 100% syllabus. 100% syllabus if you learn, you will you 100% definitely you will be able to get all the questions. Same thing you are going to do in a project also. So be motivated, give you 100%. If you'll not give 100%, if you'll give your 90%, then chances will be little less for the selection. So if you give your 100%, the best effort will you will give, you will get job. You can get job in 1 month only. Okay. So this is what we have the target. I'll explain you how you can get the job in 20 days to 1 month time. So after explaining this, okay. Data warehouse architecture. What is data warehouse? Why data warehouse? So these are the topics what we are going to discuss as a part of data warehouse. Many of the things will be new for you, but believe me, it is all theoretical part, and you don't have to understand much on this. You have to remember the point, because in the interview they will ask you direct questions. I'll explain you with the real-time examples. No need to be data warehouse architecture. What is data warehouse? Why data warehouse? Types of database. What is data difference between normal database and data warehouse? What is ETL? Overview of ETL operations. What is OLTP? What is OLAP? What is difference between OLTP, OLAP? What is data mart? Okay. These are all new concept for you guys, so no need to worry. Everything is will be like theoretical only. No query in this all. This data warehouse concept or everything is only theory part. Okay, so we'll provide you the notes. I collected best answers from the Google, so you will not have to struggle much. Just prepare this only. That is more than sufficient. Okay. So what is the difference between data mart and data warehouse? What is the data modeling technique? What is dimensional data modeling technique? What is a star schema? Snowflake schema? All these things I'll explain. No need to get confused. Everything you will feel that it's a new for you. Okay. What is dimension and dimension table? What is fact table? Normalization and denormalization, slowly changing dimensions. All these things I'll cover as part of data warehouse. Okay. As a part of data warehouse. Next one will be your basic of SQL. Okay. So we are going to learn SQL in a depth, SQL in a depth, not complex level, because we are going to work as a ETL tester. Testers don't need a complex level of knowledge. Okay, so how much level of knowledge we need? More than that, I'll explain you. More than that, I'll make sure that you get prepared, so that if any question they may ask, you will be able to answer it. And in SQL, it's not required that you have to answer 100% correct question like Java and other technology. Here, if your way of writing query is correct, 60-70% you wrote the answers, your answers will be considered as correct only. Okay, because even though like in the testers with the 10 years, 12 years, 15 years of experience also, they will not be able to write the source query or target query perfectly in a one first shot only. So they have to modify while they'll be writing in the database. So that's why they also know, we also know, it will take some time. So if you're writing 60-70% correct, your way of explaining is correct, the approach is what you are showing in writing the query is correct, then your answers will be considered as a correct only. So that's what, like, in that term only, it's easy to crack interviews in ETL testing. Okay. So working with DDL command, data retrieval techniques, working with DML command, transaction query language, data control language, general functions. General functions we are going to learn more. These are the topics for general functions, because this will be useful for you for the interview, as well as for the when you will be working in a project. So you will be writing so many of general functions when you will be working in a real-time project, as well as when you will be getting your job, or like in the interview process also, they will ask you these functions, direct questions they will ask you. So that's why I'll be taking approximately 2.5 or 3 sessions to complete all these functions, complete this all these functions. Okay, so because of the it is very important. Okay, so then we'll go for the data retrieval techniques. Done. Data aggregation functions, integrity constants, table joins is very important. We'll see how we are going to join 2 tables, 3 tables, up to 5 tables will join in this class. Okay, so that you will have proper confidence. If you'll get 12 tables also, 10 tables also, you will be able to write. Nowadays I'm writing joining condition for 18, 19 tables, like 20 table, up to 20 tables I'm joining and trying to do the validation. So like that, I'll make sure that you get the concept. It's easy to join multiple tables, so no need to worry. Just be confident. You will get. We'll show you how to join 5 tables. Okay. Set operator and pseudo column subqueries. What is views? What to how to create backup tables? Case statement. Important SQL interview questions. All these things we are going to learn as part of your SQL. Okay, SQL for the ETL testing. So this much is more than sufficient to place you in a ETL testing. Okay, more than that they will not ask you much. PL/SQL and all, if you want to learn PL/SQL, that's fine, you can learn it, but I'll suggest you don't waste time on that. Whatever the syllabus I gave you, know that only, if you'll make it perfect, your selections will be there and the questions will be asked from here only. Yesterday evening I spoke to one person who was working from past 3 months in a company. So I just randomly I called him and I asked him, like, how you feel, what are the things you are working on, like what are the tools you are using, and how my course is benefiting you. So he told like okay, he told like Whatever the material you have gave, it's the best. Same thing we are doing. Moreover, like I am only doing more. People who are working already, they are not knowing more. These are the so many different concept what you taught. So I'll be telling that this will be that, and this will be we have to do like this. So like confidence level will be high. But you have to learn 100% syllabus. If you leave one of the topics also, you may struggle in the company. What I have 11 years of experience. Based on my 11 years of experience, I have documented this document. Okay, I have prepared this document so that it will help you in all aspect. You don't have to struggle for 1% also in interview as well in real time project. So be confident, prepare well. You will get all. You'll get jobs. We have the so every setup is done. Every setup we have, even though Vishal is there, he will be helping you to get job. Okay, so if you want any type of help, we are ready to give to place you in a company. Vishal, can you introduce yourself, uh, if you don't mind?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah, this is Vishal Pandey. I'm also a MNC guy. I'm also ETL tester in the organization. So I having more than 5 years of experience in the ETL testing. Okay, so Jay is our trainer. So if any difficulties there, so also I'm also here for support purpose. Okay, anything of concern, you can directly touch with me also. No problem.
Okay, thank you, Vishal. So he was Vishal, and you can contact him also for any problem. You can contact me also. This is my number. Okay, if you are not added to the WhatsApp group, let me know. We'll add you to the WhatsApp group. Okay, just you message me on this number if you're not added to the WhatsApp group. So so many people, they'll be forwarding the link to the different people, their relatives or their friends. So maybe you will be not added to the group and all. So I have not put any restrictions to join the classes for this first three classes. First three classes will be free. Okay, so after that, you have minimum like you have to pay the charges. You have to pay the fees. After that, I'll be not allowing. So this is what we have. So if you are not added to the group, you can message me here. Can you just drop Bisal your number as well in the chat to everyone?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
And like text it properly so that people will be able to identify your name and all. Okay. Okay, so Informatica tool overview for the ETL testing, what we are going to learn as a part of ETL testing. Informatica tool, introduction to Informatica tool, what is Informatica component, Informatica repository manager, what is Informatica power center designer, Informatica power center workflow manager, Informatica workflow monitor, Informatica workflows, the sessions, mapping, different types of jobs. One more thing that guys, like we don't need Informatica much. Okay, we don't need Informatica much because only 2 minute job is there for Informatica in ETL testing. That I will show you when I'll explain you this 2 minute job. That is more than sufficient. Okay, so don't worry on that. They will not ask you much question from that. But what I have explained you Informatica, no, I have documented such a way that for this course, this is very important to understand what you are going to do in a real-time scenario in a ETL testing. If you will not complete, you will not able to crack the interview. Okay, so that's what I have documented properly, everything in a proper way, so that people are joining and they are appreciating the classes. I have not received any negative comment, anything. Okay, so what is transformation in Informatica and types? Segregate transformation with example, filter transformation with example, router transformation with example. Okay, expression transformation with example, joiner transformation, lookup transformation, what is log files in Informatica, how to validate log files after jobs fails and pass, everything. Okay, source and target validation, very important. Each and every ETL testers will be involved in this. Okay, testing scope in Informatica tool, active and passive transformation. Manual testing, if you learn manual testing concept, no, it will take you your 2 months of time to learn completely manual testing topics. But we don't need such like a very deep level of manual testing knowledge. We need only few components for the ETL testing. Okay, so these are the topics only will be needed for the ETL testing. Sama ma'am, did you join?
Yes,
Okay.
still I'm on the way.
Okay, how much time you will take to reach?
Yeah, fine. 45.
45. Okay, guys. So, guys, so I'll for 8:45 she'll be able to speak because she's traveling
Yes.
somewhere. So just hold on. 8:45 she'll start motivating you, and she will tell how the way she has prepared and all. Okay, manual testing topics, software development life cycle. What is requirement traceability matrix, software testing life cycle, sanity or smoke testing, regression test. Okay, test strategy, test plan, test cases, defect tracking and reporting, bug defect life cycle, severity and priority, test closure report, test summary report. So these are the things we are going to learn as part of manual testing. Apart from that, we are going to learn agile methodology. Okay, so these are the direct questions they will ask you from the agile methodology, and based on the agile methodology only you will be working in a ETL testing. When you will be deployed in a real-time project for ETL testing, so the methodology, the way of deliverables they will be using, like multiple meetings, how the testing deliverables will be given to the client, all these things will depend on your agile methodology. 99% project they are using agile methodology. So you have to learn this agile methodology properly, and they will ask you concept of this. So you should know the definition of the all the component for the agile methodology. Anyway, I have documented properly what is initial and incremental load, what is FTF, okay, file transfer protocol, project explanation, discussion on interview questions related to ETL testing, what is ALM and its concept, resume preparation in the last we'll see that. Okay, if time permits we'll see Python concept, but I don't think so. Like till now we have not, none of the batch we got the Python like time. We cross about 45 days in a regular classes, so we did not get. But I will suggest you, if you want to learn Python also, learn just in a easy way W3 school. Okay, so W3 school, they have explained very easy way. So first time if you are learning, it's a very important for the Python, and it's easy, but when you write queries, no, it will be quite difficult. Then I feel like sometimes I feel it's difficult compared to Java also, because a small line of code you have to use, that is like I feel challenging for myself. I don't know others how they write big queries on Python. Anyone knows Python? Anyone know Python from the our batch, from this batch?
No, no.
Okay, cool.
Oh,
Okay, but we don't require the Python knowledge. Okay, we don't require Python knowledge for ETL testing. But nowadays people are like, it's a fashion, like Python they are asking. I just included this. Okay, I'm just preparing document for that as well. If possible, if I'll be able to prepare in 1 month, I'll share with you. But like taking mock interviews, others queries, doubts, okay, resume preparation, your sessions, office work, all these things, I'm not getting more time to prepare all these things. If I'll be not helping you, you will not get job. So my target is to get you a job first, and then we'll prepare remaining thing. Okay, another thing is that we have done with the syllabus. Okay, we will our like Firdaus ma'am will reach in 5 minutes on office, and then she will explain the way. Other than that, what I was saying, that many of people you have joined new. So this is the 18th batch. We are going to start. It's a morning batch. Classes will be starting from 8 to 9:30 timing. Okay, previously I used to take 7 o'clock, but 7 o'clock is too early. Many people were not able to wake up. They were sleeping only in the Indian time. So what, like I thought, like let's start with the 8 to 9:30. But here also problem is that many people will be traveling for the office, so they'll be not able to join the classes. Okay, so but we have to manage for Friday anyway. I'm going to provide you the recording of the classes. So Friday you have to manage. Saturday Sunday anyway you will have off. So you have to manage, like if you are traveling by bus or anything, you can listen, you can join in a mobile, and you can listen the classes properly. If you listen it properly, you will be able to answer it. Okay, Moreover, like I'm going to create a batch 18 folder. So there I'll be uploading all the recordings as well as the document. So batch 18 the folder will be created, and here your all recordings and all these things will be shared, like how I have shared with the batch 14 and batch 15, like all these things, agile methodology. So document as well as the recording, class recording, document as well as the class recording. Okay. ALM document, the recording as well as the class, whatever the ALM document is there for that. Okay, if you see the SQL, we have a class document which will be approximately 85, 87 pages. Okay, let me see how many pages are there. So it's approximately 87 pages notes are there. Okay, so the label of explanations, the label of things will be like this. First, I'll explain you the theory part. First, I'll explain you the theory part, and then I'll give you the query part also. I'll show you that how we are going to, like if you see the this is the your number functions. Okay, so if you'll see here, we are going to learn first theory wise all this thing in the in theory manner, and then we'll go for the query wise. Okay, so these are the query. I'll show you in a database how we are going to get the output. I'll explain you each and every queries, you how you'll get the answers for that. And I'll ask you to prepare same thing in yours. Okay, same thing I'll be asking you to do in a database and I'll help you to install the Oracle database in your database, in your laptop or system, whatever you have. So you'll be installing that and you'll be doing practice 3-4 times. If you'll do practice this complete queries, no, you will be able to answer, and then later on you have to mug it up. You have to remember all the concept, all the queries and all. Okay, you don't have to practice more than 4 times, more than 3 times in a database. You practice 3 times, 4 times. I hope like you'll get that how the query will work. Okay, you can remember all the point theory part as well as the syntax as well as the query part. Okay, so the way this is the way I'll provide you the all these things. Even though this is the class document for the SQL, the recordings what we are going to listen in this, we have completed 13 sessions for the batch 14. Okay, but in this one, we think like 14 sessions will be more than sufficient. Okay, 14, sorry, 12 sessions will be more than sufficient. What we'll try to cover little bit faster. Okay, little bit faster so that in 12 sessions only we'll be able to complete all these things. So each video will be 1.5 hour sessions. Okay, and including it's like zero editing, it's a class recording only. There will be no other recordings. No editing will be there in the video. Same as it is how the class will be recorded. Same I'll keep it in this one. So many people they are asking for the previous class recording so that they will listen this. They will listen all these things and they will prepare within a 15 days. They'll be able to prepare within 15 days, and within of 20 days after completion of the 15 days, they'll start attending interviews within 20 days, and within a month they'll be able to crack the interviews. So this is the funda behind fast track course. You may heard that fast track and all. So we are based on this methodology only. We'll provide you the previous class recording, and it will be like, you will be referring those things. If you will have any doubt, you can ask me. You can message me and you can ask me, and I'll be try to clear your doubt. Okay, and you can drop in a class like a WhatsApp group also, where you are added all your doubts. Your doubts, someone will be someone will attend and they will answer you. So this is the way what we are following up. Okay, if you want to prepare fast, if you are not working anywhere, if you are not working anywhere full time, you are free, then ask me. Will provide you the access for all this recording. Prepare it, give me a mock interviews. I'll, if any missing topics will be there, I'll tell you to prepare those things. Once you'll prepare completely 100% within 15 days or 18 days, okay, then we'll go for the interview. We'll prepare resume and then we'll go for the interview. No need to wait for the 45 days. This is for the who is not working in a real time scenario, who is free to give 6 to 7 hours every day. Okay, who is not ready to give 6 to 7 hours every day, attend regular classes, do in a 45 days, complete in 45 days, and give your 100% best, and you will get the offer letter definitely 100%. Okay, so there are two types of things. If you want to get job in 1 month, and if you want to get job in 2 months. 1 month means fast track course. Okay, you will be prepared in a 15 to 18 days, and you will give me the mock interviews, and then within 1 month you will get the job. Other, like if you're working somewhere, morning to evening you're busy, you're not able to give the time, you can give only 2 or 3 hours every day. Okay, then go for regular classes only. Hope I'm clear, no confusion in that. Many people will ask that, will be able to attend regular classes if I'll subscribe for fast track. Yes, definitely you are eligible to. You will this is for the support purpose only. I'll be providing you the access for the previous classes for the fast track. If you will be assigned with the fast track also, you are available to attend the regular classes, not even this batch classes. In future also, if you'll miss 1 or 2 classes or 5 classes, I'll be allowing you to attend the further batches, because I know like many people, like 45 days, if you'll be attending 20 classes, it will somehow 1 or 2 classes you will miss it. So that because of that only I'm giving the recording, as well as then the next session also I'll be allowing you to attend the classes. It's online classes only. We have 100% participant eligibility in this Zoom meeting. So I don't have to pay anything if you'll join also, okay, in a future batches. Okay, so this is what we are going to test: a strategy document, test summary document. All these things will be provided. Sample resume. If you'll see, we have multiple, 10 more resume. I'm going to add maybe in a this week. Okay, Oracle SQL manual testing, the document as well as the recording. If you'll see the Oracle SQL installation will be different, as well as your interview questions and different answers will be also there. Scenario based questions. If you'll see, we have 230 questions and answers will be there, scenario based. Okay, I got it from the net. I found like it's interesting, so that's what I have given you the question and answer also given. You have to just convert into employees table and department table, and you have to write your own query. If you'll prepare this sheet for 2 times, your in like SQL will be, you'll be mastered in SQL. Okay, now I've done with this all fast track and the regular course explanations. I'll request Firdaus ma'am to explain her preparation, her journey with me here. Firdaus ma'am.
Yeah, Jen.
So
I'm audible?
yeah, yeah. So I wanted to know like how you have joined here, and like how this course helped you to crack three offer letter, not even one. As we know, like you are 2006 pass out. It's quite
Uh,
early, and like many people, they feel that I am 2015 pass out, 10 pass out, 12 pass out. How it will be helpful to get me a job. Be anyway, like documentation part, we'll take care of that. No need to explain those things. But the way of preparation, how you manage to get three offer later, okay, how you have attended interviews, what are the things you have referred in this course, and how this course helped you to crack three interviews. Okay, so just explain your way of journey. Okay.
oh, okay. Thank you, Jen. Hi, myself, Firdaus. So actually, to start with, I was also not like so confident about getting job. Already, I had tried with 3 or 4 courses. But seriously, whatever you people have joined right now, this course is going to fetch you job, and within just 1 month or 2 months, right? So it all depends on your hard work, to be frank. So initially, how, like when I joined, I was like finding it difficult to grasp a concept. So once Jen provided all the videos, so I usually I started going through each video 2 or 3 times repeatedly. I used to listen on each video. I used to make a note, write down some 6 to 7 questions, like from interview point of view, and then prepare answer for each. All answers were available in the notes itself, but still we have that, like, it's human tendency that if we put up in a question answer format, it will be easy for us to remember, right? It is, if it is in a paragraph wise, or if it is in a theory wise, like it will be difficult. So what I used to do, I used to listen to all the videos 2 to 3 times. So per day I used to cover 4 to 5 videos, make a note of all the, like, what kind of questions can be asked on this this concepts. So I used to make a note, I used to prepare. So then I started attending interviews. So initially I used to be blank while facing first 2 or 3 interviews. Then I started gaining confidence. So again, interview. So you need not worry. Almost the same repetitive questions will be asked, as rightly Jen has explained. So almost like starting 10 minutes, it will be about introduction, yourself, roles and responsibilities, your experiences. They'll be asking. So again, another 10 minutes, it will be about your SQL queries. So another 10 minutes, they'll be focusing on your skills, other skills rather than SQL. And on Informatica, they may ask you about like some 2 or 3 questions. So not in depth, as Jan told. So not in depth on Informatica and Teradata. So I personally suggest that. So you mainly focus on the SQL concept. That is more important. So listen to each and every video 2 or 3 times. If you are not getting, again, you may go for 4 or 5 times also. Make a note of each and every points. So almost repetitive questions will be asked. So most probably the focus will be on truncate, delete, almost all concepts on functions, and then it will be on constraints. So these are the three major areas where you have to focus more, understand each and every concept and how to write the queries. So then it will be easy going for you, and you can crack any type of interview. And on Informatica, so almost don't worry about studying all the concepts. I think if you what I did is I listened to all the video, but I focused only on one or two, one aggregation transformation and then router transformation. I was thorough with each query, and some 2 or 3 scenarios on both the transformation, and it was like easy to go for me. So it is like repetitive thing only, so you can focus. So put efforts. If you don't understand the concept, as videos have been provided, you can go through each and every video, make a note of whichever the points you're getting down, and it's easy, you can crack the interviews. It's not a rocket science, that thing. So I think I have gone through. As I have told you, I did almost Java also, it's Selenium also, and the SAP MM also. But seriously, nobody guided me so much. So Jayant is there, always there for you to like clarify all your doubts at any point of time. And he's such a good motivational. I gave up twice, but still he motivated me.
Yes,
So
she
that is the
surrendered.
thing. Uh,
She surrendered like I'll be not able to crack interviews. So I told like, wow, what is this? You don't have anything to lose. Correct. Just try.
exactly.
Keep trying. You will get one day.
One thing I faced in interview is like just like a few questions I have answered. I took, like, I watched YouTube videos. I took the answers also. They were like I saw some YouTube videos where they had given answers for all the questions. I told the same answer. One interviewer, he was like, he said no, it is wrong, and another interviewer, he said like absolutely correct. I have faced this. So
Hmm.
just like one business scenario, like you may miss to note down different regions, right? Sometimes you may miss the countries where you have to fill the criteria and all. So such thing I told in one interview, but in another interview he said wrong, and one interviewer he said correct. So don't get demotivated by interviewers' response. So it's up to their knowledge level. They'll judge you. So don't give up. I say that. So keep up your work. So each interview you will get to know new questions. So make a note of all the questions from the interview you faced, get the answers, and you'll be get to go. Like,
Yeah, guys. So ask your doubt if you have
if
anything.
you have
to
any
ask.
doubts,
Yeah.
I'll be always there to help you out.
Yeah, you are from which password?
Yeah, 2006. I told her I'm like teacher of Jan.
Yes, he taught me in
He
a
was my
college.
first batch, my engineering first batch. Like I was teacher for them.
He was teacher.
Seriously, just imagine at this age, I cracked my interview. I'm feeling so confident. Like everyone said, no. At this point of time, changing your profession is no, big no. But still, I didn't give up. And I sometimes gave up, but still, Jan motivated me, and
I
there I am.
was her student, okay, in engineering college. She was teacher of mine. She was teaching some of the subject in line. She was so humble. She was giving internal marks and all. So that was the past. But like now, she again she was stand up and she wanted to get job. So she got job. Like she's having 3 of letters.
See, I was being in teaching profession. Still, I managed to get the course, like get the job. I hope if you are not working or still you are in a student level, I think it will be
Sir, I
more
have
easy
one
to
doubt,
get.
sir.
Yeah, go ahead, ask.
Yeah, some of them they are saying that we are not getting any ETL calls and all. Like,
See, if someone will think no, then you will not able to eat your food also. Correct. Someone will
No,
tell that.
no.
So
Yeah,
someone,
as Jen
someone.
said also, see,
Hmm.
Jen told initially like May to June, you'll be getting calls later on. No, it is not like that. Market fluctuation can happen anytime. So you
Anytime,
need
10 days,
not wait
15
for
days.
others' opinion.
Nowadays, it's like, festival season. So calls will be less
Exactly.
for the October. But November, you will have lots of calls, definitely.
No, still yesterday also two more calls I got. Uh,
Oh, okay.
but still,
So you will get.
Madam,
Hmm.
madam, yeah, after going to the, I mean, work, how you are managing, how you are able to do the work?
still, yeah, it is going on good. Training period is going on. I think what I face is as much I have learned in this course. I think whatever the senior people are there, they are not able to answer, but I am able to answer those questions. So this course, like it is short and it has given you complete knowledge. Still, I am telling you, those who are experienced in this field, like 8 years, 9 years, still they are unable to answer the questions which I am I'm answering it. So to
So,
that level of perfection you can gain if you go through each and every concept thoroughly, especially
100%, I
SQL.
told no, 100% you have to cover the syllabus.
100%, yes.
other than SQL and data warehouse concept, any courses are you seeing in the project?
Not
No, data warehouse, no, same thing. Whatever Jayant has provided, apart from that, two or more questions they'll be asking, like partitions, some extra, those still you don't answer that, it's fine. Not much depth in data warehouse concept. They'll just tell you what are different types of pipelining, again, scrubbing, like scrubbing and all, sir has taught already. So not much difference whatever Jayant has given. So if you study that, so it is completing 90% of your interview questions. 10% it becomes like it depends on the interviewer. If he has the in-depth knowledge of any topic, he will ask more on that. That's it.
All 5 years, you could the ETL testing only, any other?
ma'am, it doesn't matter for us na if we don't answer one or two question in interview.
No, it doesn't matter. No. But SQL queries, you should be perfect in Informatica. Like, see, it depends again on the work culture from company to company. If you don't answer on that part, it's fine. But basic things, how to work on it. So what Jayant has taught on all the transformation, those things you have to answer. If you don't answer that, I think it's not going to
apart
work
from
out.
my syllabus, no, apart from my
Ah,
syllabus, if one or two questions they will ask
ah,
from the out of syllabus also, no. If you will not answer, then it will be not
it's
so
fine.
difficult.
Hmm.
But
Yeah.
whatever I have documented it, you should know 100%.
But one thing, whatever the answer, so you be in a position to explain on that. Don't
Yeah.
be like quiet. They will think that
Negative.
negative.
Go guys, ask your doubt fast.
Hi Jayant, hi Firdaus.
Hi.
So actually, I am 2015 pass out. So I don't have any IT experience. So okay, fine, I will do the course what Jan taught me. So what is the guarantee that I won't face any problem? Did you face any challenges? Because I don't have any experience in IT. So definitely I'm going to
I'm
face
also
any challenge.
purely from teaching background. I'm
Hmm.
purely from, I told no, I was teaching to Jen. Right now, I was like till past like previous 2 months, I was in teaching
Hmm.
only. So
So
from
you
purely teaching background, I have switched to this.
no, so you don't face any challenge, any
No,
single
no.
challenge, minor
Actually,
challenge,
the thing
nothing.
is, no. Almost I was into C. I have taught C, C++, Python. So I'm good at coding. So I didn't find any difficulty in learning SQL. And SQL compared to other programming language, it's such easy going. It's just like in a simple English, right? It's not that big difficult to learn SQL, I guess.
Hmm. No, that I understand that with
Uh,
learning of SQL I can go, but I'm
uh,
asking that already you have got the job and maybe you are working maybe 1 or 2 months or 3 months, I don't know
mm,
exactly, but you
mm.
don't face any problem, even
No,
minor
no,
problem also,
no.
challenges.
Oh no, nothing like that. I'm telling no. That's what I was also while I joined the company. Like I was also shocked. Like I may face, but still on the process, I felt that what I have learned, it is more than sufficient to face all other experienced people in my team. I think they
Okay.
are unable to answer. I told no rightly just 5 minutes back. I told so whatever I am able to answer the questions whatever the team lead ask in the meeting and all. Few people still they are like struggling to answer and to grasp that uh, what concepts.
So
So
can you,
this it is like short and sweet course. You can say
hmm.
easy to go, easy to learn. Like it consumes less time also.
So can
Yes,
you share
and
such scenario
Santosh,
that with
Santosh, if you will be facing any problem, I'm here. No, why you are worrying?
no sir, actually I don't have any IT experience now,
Exactly. Jent is
that's why
always
sir.
there. I keep like calling for even small doubts also. He'll just motivates me and guide me what has to be done.
Yes, thank you.
That's what nobody else will guide you so much. Once the course is done, they'll be like, don't even attend your calls. But Jent is not so. So
So I'm there. Don't worry on like on that. If any
exactly.
challenges you will be facing, we'll be solving each other. Like you will be also solving. I'll be also guiding you to how to solve it. Okay.
Definitely.
Hey,
Other
Jay,
question? Yeah.
this is Alan. How are you?
Hi.
Good. Jay, this is Alan.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is the
Alan.
difference? Doing good, my brother. What is the difference between the ETL training and the QA training? Like we see a lot of jobs asking for QA training. What is the difference?
See the QA training. If you'll see, no, it's a different QA training will be there. It depends on the what skills you are going. Like some of them are manual testing, some of them are like performance testing, some of them mobile testing will be there. Your automation testing will be there. It will be all QA testing only. QA testing only. So QA means quality assurance. Okay, quality assurance means testing. So you are going to test and you are making sure that it's working fine, whether it's a mobile or it's a, like any applications or it's a data or it's any automated tool, whatever you are taking. Okay, so it's like QA is nothing but your manual testing, ETL testing, your agile, automation testing. You have to find out what type of QA testing they are asking. Okay, Alan, got?
Okay, my brother.
Yeah. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
So yeah, any other question you want to ask from Firdos, ma'am? Anyone else? Otherwise, like,
Yeah, hi, Jain sir.
yeah.
Yeah, I shared the WhatsApp group link in the Zoom.
Yeah.
So if you, yeah, you can tell for joining.
Yeah, guys. So Bisal has just shared the WhatsApp group chat in the chat, Zoom chat. You can find, and if you are new to the group, okay, if you are not added to the WhatsApp group, please click on that or like call me or message me. Okay, call me or message me, or like call Bisal or message him. He will guide you how to join our WhatsApp group. We have a different WhatsApp group. Like we have two WhatsApp group. We'll make it one after a few days. Okay, so this is what we have. Tomorrow we will have regular classes. Okay, morning 8 to 9:30. Our first classes will start from the SQL only. We are going to start with SQL installations and all will be taking care. I'll be sharing you the videos in the group, how we are going to install the softwares. Okay, these are the things are there. So let's connect tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Okay, tomorrow morning, Saturday, 8 o'clock morning, Indian time. And it will be we'll start with the Oracle first class. And then from tomorrow onwards, you can conclude 6 weeks or whatever 20 classes it will take. Okay, clear guys? Any other question, guys? If you want to ask from me or Firdaus, if you want, we can discuss 5 more minutes.
Yes.
Anyone? Yeah. Tell me, Siddhartha.
Sir, I have completed my diploma in IT.
Hmm.
So am I eligible for this course?
Which year pass out?
2012.
That's it, fine. No, we'll go for the experience document. Based on the experience, you will get the job.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The experience document will work here. Well, whoever is having gap, no, the document will work here. We have a team. From them, we are taking it. We are not creating our own factory. So it's like we are taking from them, and it will be helpful for you. So no worries. We'll take care of everything. All and every setup is done. You don't have to worry that. Just if any doubt is there, let me know. We'll clear it and we'll proceed with that until unless you'll not get the job.
Sir, diploma is fine now.
Yeah, that is fine. What I'm saying that 4 years, 5 years of experience. I know many people who did diploma and they are working from past 10 years, 5 years, perfectly fine using diploma certificate.
Okay.
And they are
Okay,
getting
thank you.
1 lakh 12, 2 lakhs of as a salary.
Sir, what is the minimum salary package of?
We'll go,
ETL
we'll
tester?
see. First of all, like we'll get the job. Okay, minimum salary package, you may get approximately 80-90K. Okay. Minimum 80-90. More than that also will be possible if you perform well.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys.
80-90 is the monthly or the annual?
Monthly.
Okay.
80 means 80.
80,000 monthly, 70, 80, 90. Depends on how you bargain with your HR. Okay.
Because I'm also from a mechanical background and have passed on 2017.
Yeah, no problem.
That's why.
So we'll go for the 4-5 year experience. 8-9 LPA package you will get minimum. Above that also 11-12 also people are getting. Second offer letter, third offer letter.
Wow.
Yeah. Others, any question, guys? So shall I close the call? If you don't have, if you have any call, my number is here. Okay, this is my number. Okay.
Hey, Jay, regarding documentation for every company, they will clear BGV, or some companies they will edit, like TCS, Tech Mahindra.
See, these are the TCS and all. No, I do suggest that don't go. It's very headache for after 6 months also they start again BGV. Okay, but we have placed 4-5 people last month only. They have joined TCS. So we'll see that how you'll be attending interview for all the company, whether it's a TCS, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Google, whatever it may be. But once you'll get the offer letter, then we'll decide whether we have to go or not.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, guys. So let's connect tomorrow morning 8 o'clock. And if you'll have any doubt, message me. If you're not added to group, let me know. We'll add you to group. Okay. This is my WhatsApp number. You can call me. You can message me. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Yeah. Let me know if anyone is interested for a fast track course. Bye.